Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find hidden chats on Viber. Let's get started. So first, you need to find the chat, for example, like this. I'm going to hide this one here so we can or need to click on the name in the top of the screen, then just simply scroll down to find a couple of options. So as you can see here, we have the option to snooze, hide or clear and leave and delete, so we need to click on the hide. I'm going to set the password like 1, 2, or 3. Then you can see it successfully disappeared. So it was like it's hidden. If you want to find it, we can just simply use the feature. So here in the top of the screen, just simply click on the search and search for the name of the chat. And that's it. You can now see the hidden messages that disappeared. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.